Mastering irregular adjectives and adverbs. Contextual practice. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a very exciting topic: irregular adjectives and adverbs. We're not only going to learn about these irregulars, but we'll practice using them in context as well. This will help you understand not just the form but also the usage of these words. Irregular adjectives and adverbs are unique because they don't follow the standard rules we typically use to transform adjectives into adverbs. In most cases, to form an adverb from an adjective, we simply add "ly" to the end of the adjective. For example, quick becomes quickly. But with irregulars, things aren't so straightforward. For instance, the adjective good transforms into the adverb well, not goodly, and fast remains fast, whether it's an adjective or an adverb. It's these irregular cases we're going to focus on today. Before diving into examples, it's important to understand the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns. They tell us what something is like. On the other hand, adverbs typically modify verbs. They tell us how something is done. Let's take a quick look at the irregular fast. As an adjective, it could describe a car. That's a fast car. As an adverb, it could describe how someone runs. She runs fast. Now comes the fun part, using these words in context. We'll look at some sentences and decide whether to use an adjective or adverb, and what form it should take. For example, consider the sentence, "He plays the piano. Good. Well." In this case, we need an adverb to describe how he plays, so well is the correct choice. He plays the piano well. Let's try another one. The cake tastes good. Well. Here, we're describing the cake, a noun, not the action of tasting, so we use the adjective good. The cake tastes good. Let's reinforce what we've learned with some practice exercises. I'll give you a sentence with a blank, and your task is to fill it in with the correct form of the given word. 1. She walks so quietly. Hint: we're describing how she walks. 2. He is a hardly worker. Hint: we're describing the worker. 3. This flower smells sweetly. Hint: we're describing the flower. Try to complete these on your own, then check your answers in the comments section below. Well, that's a wrap for today. We've covered irregular adjectives and adverbs, understanding the differences, their uses, and we've practiced putting them into context. Remember, mastering these irregulars can take time, so don't rush it. Keep practicing and soon enough, you'll find using them becomes second nature. Thank you for joining me in this session, and I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on English language learning. Keep practicing and see you next time.